Hi guys, thank you for patiently awaiting for this Mariah Carey fantasy tutorial. Now I'm just taking a foundation and a BB cream to get Mariah's natural glowy skin that she had in this music video. This is one of my favorite music videos from her. It's just so much fun. I just love that she's having a blast on a carnival, and that's just something I like to do on the weekends. It's just very relatable, and I love this song so much. It's one of her best, but I love all Mariah's songs. Like, she's just amazing. I love doing her looks. I feel like I try to spread her looks out, even though you guys are frequently requesting them, just because they all look very similar, but you guys want to see them anyways. I totally understand. I'm that type of person too. I'm like, I don't care if they all look the same. I want to see them. That's how I am. So I am just putting on foundation and concealer, and then mattifying my face using this airspun powder right here. Yeah, just, you know, the basic simple steps that I do on a daily basis. Now I'm taking the Juvia's Place palette and this bronzer right here. Mariah always has had bronzy skin, like, no matter what. She has like the perfect skin. I mean, I know she's famous, but I just love her bronzer that she uses and everything. So now I'm taking this LORAC Pro palette right here, and I'm using this beige eyeshadow right here, and I'm kind of spreading it with my brush and finger a bit, just to give that more of a natural look on the lids. So then I'm going to take this color right here called Taupe, and using a card, I'm going to carve out a little bit of shape right here. I paused the video a couple of times and it looked like she had a V shape kind of going on in her eyelids. Now, these music videos are very hard to take screenshots of or screen grabs, and you can't see all the detail they put on their eye, so I'm never 100% accurate, but I can get as close as I can. So now I'm just blending out that eyeshadow. I just deepened it up gradually. I kept going in and putting more of that taupe color, and it created this nice darker brown shape right here. So you just need to take a lot of blending and using that card to go back and forth, and then touching up that beige eyeshadow as well. Then I'm taking this coral color right here by Makeup Geek and placing a little bit on the outer thirds of the eyes. Now I'm doing this because it did look like she had a burnt orange color right there. I'm not too sure, it could have just been the lighting, but I wanted to make sure that I added that color there just in case. This makes this look a little bit different from all the other looks that I've done for Mariah on my channel. I know she has a lot more makeup looks that are really intense, but those are coming later, don't you worry. So then I'm just lining my upper waterline with this Master Precise liner by Maybelline. I know you guys have been heavily requesting the roof and a few other music videos. Trust me, those are coming. A lot of the times I just need time to prepare. So now I'm just going to run some brown eyeshadow over that black line just to get it more natural looking and less harsh. Doing this on both eyes, of course, blending it out nice and neat. So once we're done with that, I'm just doing a little bit more blending, I guess. But after that, just do a little bit of touch-ups, and taking a brown eyeliner, I'm just lining my lower lash line just a bit. This was very popular back in the day for these pop stars. They always lined their water lines. Well, everybody did, I guess. Now I'm just curling my lashes. And I am taking this Big Lash mascara right here and popping some mascara on. No falsies will be added. Mariah was very natural with her makeup in the 90s. So you're just going to add a little bit of mascara. Don't go too heavy-handed with this, and make sure to not neglect the lower lashes, but don't overdo it again on the lower lashes as well. Then, as usual, I'm going to take 1995 by Gerard Cosmetics. I'm so sorry I was out of focus for the camera, but this is how the color looks like. Basically, it's just a dark reddish brown color. She always wore this color, so I usually stick to it. So now we're done with the makeup. So what I'm doing here is just with some wet hair, I am going to put some gel in it, kind of similar to my very first Mariah look. I really wish that I had waited to do that look, but it blew up. I wish I waited because my hair I was going through a phase where I was really into bright red hair. Now that I have a more natural color, I wish I waited, but it's okay. So we're using the same technique. We're using this diffuser. I have said many times that I got this diffuser from Sally's, but I think that because people don't watch the whole video, they don't hear me saying that. But this diffuser is from Sally's. And now I'm just taking this small barreled curling wand and getting the pieces that kind of fell straight. So I'm doing this for a few pieces. I'm doing the hairstyle that she was wearing mostly when she was dancing on the boardwalk. There were a few times in the music video where her hair was more of a straighter curl, but I wanted to go for the more of the Mariah curl. And there was a lot of times where her hair was fluffier and more 90s looking. So that's what I wanted to go for instead of the straighter type of curl. I felt like that look wasn't as fun as this one. So that's how your hair should look, like a natural, nice wavy hair. Also, I'm adding some clip-in bangs that aren't necessarily the perfect color, but they get the job done as making sure the hair looks kind of like hers. So this is also the outfit I put on: a black crop jacket with a V-neck shirt, some shorts, and you got your Mariah fantasy look. I'll see you guys in my next Mariah look. Bye!